So test case design techniques. How we will write the test cases? Okay, you are writing test case, right? Just now you created test case, right?
Yes.
Let's say there is a requirement for 20 travelers maximum. So how you will test it? How many test cases you will come up with? Maximum 20 travelers, right?
Yes.
So how many test cases you will create? You will create 1 traveler, 2 traveler, 3 traveler, 4 traveler, like this 20 test cases you will create? No. There is a concept called boundary value analysis. What is our lower boundary? 1.
Yeah.
I think 2 or 1 lower boundary. Family should go. Person also can go, right? 1 lower boundary 1.
Hmm.
Upper boundary 20.
Yes.
Right? Got it. Right? So
Yeah.
how many test cases we will come up with? So this is 1 to 20 is our boundary. Okay? You will write
Okay.
case for 0. Okay? 0 is
Mhm.
range, right? -1. Before the
Yes.
lower boundary. 21 upper boundary, above the upper boundary, right?
Mhm.
And you can create one test case for within the boundary. Understand? Actually, you will test for 0, 1, 2, then 19, 20, 21. Understand? So that is
Right.
boundary value analysis. Boundary value analysis, BVA. Understand?
Mhm.
These interview question, they will ask like the uh, how many test cases you will create, how do you test it, what are the techniques you will follow writing the test cases. Test case design
Okay.
techniques. Simple, we have equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis. Okay. You see, equivalence partitioning is the most common technique in block box testing techniques for test case design. Both are used to design test case for validating range of values for any given input domain. But these techniques are used together at all levels of testing. Okay. Let's say here you see like the minimum boundary value given as 21 and maximum boundary value is given as 65. Okay. So 21, 65, somebody give boundary 21 and 60.
Mhm.
So how we will test it? We will test 20, minimum -1, invalid test case, right? Negative test case.
Right.
To get the error. And above 65, 66. Max value +1, right?
Mhm.
Right? Then minimum, there is 21, plus minimum 22, right? Maximum 65, -1, boundary, close to boundary, 64. Understand?
Mhm.
So boundary is 65, then 64, 65, 66 we will test. Then here lowest boundary is 21, right? 20, 21, 22 we will test it. Understand? Right.
Yeah.
That is how we will test. That is one of the technique. Then what is defect? You are executing the test cases, you will find a defect, right? So
Mhm.
how do you create a defect? First of all, you need to understand what is defect. Okay? Defect is something like some abnormal behavior of the software. Bug starts when defect is found and ends with when defect is closed. After ensuring it is not repeated. Okay, see. Again, it depends upon name of the bug status. Status is different. Initially, when we created a defect, it will be new status. Okay, I will show you. Okay. See, this is the bug, right?
Mhm.
When you create a bug, initially it will be new state. And after that, once the you are assigning to some developer to look into that, right?
Okay.
When the developer is working, he will change it to active state. Okay?
Mhm.
Then he fixed it. Okay? Okay, one second.